We'll guide you through how to change the passcode on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to go and change it. Perhaps you're concerned somebody else goes and knows it, so you want it to go and be changed so it's secure. What you could do is go and turn off the passcode if you want to as well. We're mainly focusing on changing it, but we'll guide you through how you can turn it off if you want to. Of course, it is then much easier to access your iPad. You can just swipe up, but of course, it then isn't secured. So anybody can go on your iPad and go and do that. So I like to get a passcode on it, and so we'll just go and change it. Make sure this is full guide so you know how this can go and be done, and don't skip anything as you may miss something important. So without any further ado, let's go and do this. So what you need to do is go and open up the settings app on your iPad. That will go and bring you here. Now what you want to do is come down on the left, or come over to the left, and you need to go and start scrolling down, and you need to go and find the option Touch ID and passcode. So you can go and tap there. Now what you need to do is go and enter in your current passcode, and that'll then go and bring you here. Now what you can do is you can come down. Now if you want to go and turn it off, you'll need to go and delete the fingerprint to do so. Then after you've deleted it, you have the option for turning the passcode off. Tap on the fingerprint and press delete. And you can always go and re-add it again with a passcode. And then what you can do is you can go and press change passcode and enter in your current one. And then you can choose the passcode options. I like to go and have the 4-digit option, and you can then type in what you want your new one to be. I'll press use anyway and verify it. That's it. The next time you go and use your passcode, you can go and use the new one. If you found this useful, then leave a like.